And here we want to find the surface area of a pyramid with a square base. If we represent our base as a square and we create our pyramid, if you know that the perimeter of the square is 63, and that's going to be equal to the length of the side times the number of sides. So we can plug in values. 63 is equal to the side length times a square has 4 sides. So if we divide by 4, we get our S value to be 15.75. So each of these side lengths is 15.75. And so if we want to find the surface area for this, the surface area is going to be our square base, plus we're going to have 4 triangular lateral faces. So if the square base is 15.75 squared, plus 4 times the area formula for our triangles, 1/2 base times height, we can go ahead and substitute some values in here. The 4 and the 2 cancel, leaving a 2 out front. Our base is going to be 15.75. And what we need to do is we need to find what this corresponding height would be for our lateral face triangle. So if we look at the height of this whole pyramid, which is 7.6, and we extend that over here to the side, we know that this portion right here is 1/2 of this whole side length because it's from the center of this square base to the midpoint of that side. So if we take half of 15.75, we get this length to be 7.875. And in order for us to find h here, we can use Pythagorean theorem. We have the sum of the squares of the 2 legs, 7.6 squared, 875 squared, and that has to equal our hypotenuse squared. And so now it's just a calculation here. If we take this number squared, we add it to 7.6 squared, we get 119.78 approximately. Extract the square root. So if we take the square root of that value, we get our h value. Our h value is about 10.94. And so we can plug that in right here and go ahead and calculate our answer. So if we take this number times 15.75 times 2, and then we add that to 15.75 squared, we're going to get our answer, which is about 592.80. Here, the units are centimeters. It's a surface area, so it's square centimeters.